Hello guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Guys, I've got very interesting gist for you today. So Adekunle and Sheggz continue their fight since leaving the Big Brother Naija house. The Bbnaija Level Up star Adekunle recently caused a massive buzz on social media after he accused the other housemates of living fake lives. Recall that most of the housemates are currently in South Africa on a sponsored trip by Pepsi. So Pepsi organized a trip for all of them. Everybody were taken to South Africa and they are flexing, they're chilling, they're having fun right now in South Africa. So Adekunle decided to let everyone know what is actually going on. Adekunle had noted that most of the things the housemates showed off were sponsored by Pepsi. Meanwhile, Sheggz seemed to think that Adekunle's post was targeted at him and noted that he bought Accuse only for someone to think it was sponsored. The Bbnaija Level Up season might be over, but the antics of some of the housemates after the show have left fans anticipating their reunion show. Shortly after, one of the housemates, Adekunle, penned down a lengthy newsletter on how his co-stars were living fake lives. Sheggz took to his social media page to react. In the controversial newsletter, Adekunle had claimed that some of the fancy doings the housemates displayed while on their trip to South Africa were actually sponsored. In reaction to that, Sheggz took to Twitter to brag about how he bought a bottle of Accuse on the trip only for it to be called sponsored. So guys, that is currently the most trending gist right now on the social media. Sheggz feels that Adekunle is referring to him. Well, Adekunle said most of the housemates. He didn't specifically say Sheggz. He just said most of the housemates are living fake life. And being that Sheggz was also part of those that were on the trip and he was in South Africa too, showing off and doing all of that. So it's just normal for him to feel included. So that's it. Adekunle and Sheggz are at it again. So many fans have had their say on what is going on. Some even said they can't wait for the reunion to start. They can't wait for all this and that. So guys, what do you think about this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.